Hi doll friends, it's Dawn and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm kind of condensing about 2 months of doll collecting into one little vlog for you guys. Because in June and July I was traveling a lot and I didn't really have time to do anything related to YouTube or making videos in general. So I thought I would just do a fun little vlog as like a highlights reel of the things that I've been getting up to in the doll room in the last few months. So what I'm doing first is unboxing Sasha from the Bratz Fashion Pixiez line. I really love this line and I think this Sasha has kind of become my favorite of all of the dolls. I thought at first that my favorite was Jade, but like now that I've opened Sasha, she's like in the center of my collection now. I just love the face on this doll. The hair is really soft. I don't know how they say purple and green shouldn't be seen, but like this color combination that she has is just incredible. I really think like the outfit kind of reminds me of like an orchid flower, like the colors that you see on those. I just think she's really gorgeous. She has really amazing makeup as well with this like iridescent eyeshadow like under the eye as well. I just think it's gorgeous. And she's got like a separate belt, like an iridescent colored silver belt and really cool earrings. And yeah, I just really love like all of the details that they've put into this doll and the Fashion Pixiez line in general. I think they're probably my favorites of the newer Bratz that have come out in the last few years. So the little bracelet that she has, you can actually like uncurl it from her wrist. Just kind of cool. It's like one long like bendy piece of plastic, so you can make it like a vine going up her arm if you want to. And the little bag that she comes with is also super detailed and cute. It's shaped like a flower. And you can also wear the wings as a ring if you really want to. So here she is, just displayed together with my other Bratz on the shelf. I really love this shelf, but it is getting a bit crowded. So next I went to the flea market and I found a couple of things. I found this G4 My Little Pony. I can't remember the name of this one, but she has like wings. And I also found Rainbow High Gabriella Isley. I think this is the first time I've ever bought a Rainbow High doll from the flea market. So I kind of underestimated how much work it would be to like do up her hair. It was really matted and really frizzy. So I didn't actually film myself doing the little restoration on her, but like getting the hair even to this state was really a challenge. It took me ages. So here I'm just trying to decide what outfit I'm going to put her in because I don't have her original clothes. I was trying to decide whether to put her in a Mycene outfit. So I was just trying on the Kennedy My Bling Bling outfit because I like the color of the skirt and like the silver with her hair color. And I was trying to decide between that and the outfit from Margot Perla, who I currently have restyled in my collection. So I was just trying on those different outfits. Here she is in the Mycene outfit. I do think it looks really cool. But I eventually decided for the Rainbow High outfit because it just fit a little bit better. So here she is after her restyle. And here's the little G4 pony in the back of my Licca shelf. Next, I'm opening up another Monster High doll. I've been really obsessed with G3 Monster High lately. And this is probably my second favorite Draculaura that they've brought out so far. So this is the Sweet 1600 birthday Draculaura. And yeah, fun fact, I actually share a birthday with her and I was kind of half considering doing a Monster High themed party next time. So I'll just have to see if my friends would play along with that. So she comes with a bunch of like little birthday themed accessories. So she's got her little balloon here. She has a little present. She has her little bag, which is kind of shaped like a heart-shaped cake. And I just think she's really adorable. I love the makeup on this doll as well. Next are a couple of other little things that I found at a flea market that I went to in June. So I found this Cali Girl Barbie and a My Little Pony. And I also found these funny little Winx Club trading cards. I've never seen this before, but there was a lady there selling them for I think like €2 a pack, so I decided to get some and open them up. So here's what you get on the inside. They kind of have like an iridescent overlay with little stars on them, or a holographic overlay, I should say. And I got Aisha, Musa, and then this little landscape format card with Musa and Ribbon. And I was really expecting there to be more in there. I was expecting it to be like, when you were a kid and you got a pack of Pokemon cards. I'm sure they used to have like 10 in there at least, but in this one there was only 3, so that was kind of strange. So here I'm just deciding where I want to put the other little G1 My Little Pony that I found at that flea market. Whenever I find random little figurines like that, I usually just put them in like the background of my doll shelves to make them look a bit more like busy. I love when shelves look like really full. So I'm just adding the ponies to my Licca-chan and Jenny shelf here. And I think it looks really cute. And this is the Cali Girl Barbie that I found. She came almost wearing her original outfit. I think the shorts and the little like jacket thing are original, but the top I think is not what she came with. I'm pretty sure she came with a really similar orange bikini top though, so this one almost looks like the original. It doesn't bother me too much. But yeah, I just thought she was really cute. She also came with her original little necklace and earrings, which you don't see very often. And I think I bought her for maybe €5 at the flea market, so I thought this was a pretty cool find. I've somehow ended up with a small collection of like beach themed Barbie dolls that I've just found in random places, and I've never like been deliberately looking for them or anything. They just kind of ended up in my possession. So she's gonna go and hang out with them. And here's the G1 My Little Pony I found. He has a bit of like dirt and stains on him, but I'm always just happy to find G1s at the flea market. So here at the back of my collection you can see the like beach themed Barbies that I have. These are all ones from the early 2000s. I think the brunette one, I also found her at the flea market. The one with the pink bikini was a really good deal on Vinted, and the Ken doll in the back I think I got in a lot. He's one of my only boy dolls in my collection. So yeah, I'm just adding the Cali Girl Barbie in with them. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite find from today, and I will see you in my next video.